Ha! I'm not giving up. I'm just printing the upper part now, and the print is going on pretty okay for now. We'll see. And meanwhile, I'll be checking this one. This is the snare I printed before with this printer. And the funny idea behind it is, look at this, the upper part is getting up. You can change the bearing edge from here to here. Okay, it's hard to do it with one hand, but I did it, and it works nice. So the problem is always printing this edge, and you don't have to print it every time and with a whole shell. So you just print this part. You have an inner groove and a part that goes in there, and the precision of this machine here is so precise that it fits perfectly together. Have a look at this one here. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. And the tension rods are supposed to then just push it together. You can glue it also, but I'm just trying to not use the glue and keep it flexible. So you can change colors, you can change shapes. That's another idea about 3D printing. Yeah. I hope we'll see in the future and watch me doing a lot of funny stuff. Wish me luck. Bye bye.